What is happening in St. Johns County when it comes to the housing market. In this video, we are going to break down the October 2024 market stat and just kind of see what's happening, get a feel of the market. So let me go ahead and move my big head out of the way. We can see that the median sales price went up a little bit from September. It's still up almost 3% from October 2023. The amount of closed sales, though, dropped another 10%. The highest peak for the year was 641 houses in the month of May, and then October it has dropped from 383. It was 427 in September, 526. So it's almost half of what it was in May time. The median days on market has just been a trend all year long, it seems like. So there's the data. In February, we're at 33 days, so basically a month on the market, and now we're at 2.5 months. The list price for C went down 0.5%. So what this means is if a home was listed at $100,000, that means they sold for $97,100. We can see closed over list price. So that went up a little bit from September, nothing too crazy. And what that's saying is homes are selling more than the list price. And we've been seeing this lately. So for example, let's say somebody needs a new roof on the home that they're under contract on, and that roof is $20,000. What they'll do is they will go up $10,000 in the sales price. That way the buyer and seller are kind of splitting the difference of the repair cost and jumping up that $10,000. It's only going to cost the buyer about $50 to $60 per month on their mortgage payment. So they're normally pretty comfortable with doing that difference. So the pending sales dropped 26.7% from 374. So it dropped 100 less houses went under contract in October than that did in September, which was about 50 homes less than August. New listings pretty much stayed flat, but the active inventory still trickled up a little bit, and we have 5.4 months worth of supply. And a lot of this in St. Johns County is new construction. Definitely has a little bit of the inventory. So right here we can see the mortgage rates, and let's see what happened in October. So on October 1st, the interest rates were 6.2% for a 30-year fixed mortgage rate. And then it was a weird month when it came to rates. You can see this line, how fast it jumped. So in 6 days on October 7th, it was at 6.62%. So it jumped over 0.5%. And then by the time October ended, it went all the way up to 7.09%. So almost a full percent higher from October 1st to October 31st. And what that means is if a buyer was looking for a home that was $500,000 on October 1st, by the time, if they hadn't found a home that fit them, by the time they were looking October 31st, they needed to be looking at a $450,000 house to have the same mortgage payment. They lost 10% of buying power. That's why in St. Johns County and just throughout Northeast Florida, a lot of new construction homes, they're offering these crazy amount of rate buy downs and incentives because they know that a 1% drop like that affects a lot of people a lot of ways with their monthly payments. So they're offering lower mortgage rates. Be competitive and try to sell their new construction homes, but to also just make it more, and it's weird saying it like this, but to make it more affordable for people to buy the home, because we know house prices are still up there. They still have gone up 3% from October 2023 to October 2024, and $555,000 is a lot of money to a lot of people. So the new construction sites are just offering crazy rate buy downs. So if you have any questions about buying or selling a home in St. Johns County, just message me below.